Hello, IK here, chapter 25, how to learn React and Next.js. You have this metaphor, practically. The first car had only an engine and the most necessary features. In the same way, I created a small e-shop, the simplest possible version. This e-shop contains all the basic parts that even Amazon has. It represents the foundation of React and the foundation of e-commerce. Homepage, product page, basket, invoice. 90% of this book teaches fundamentals. Only 10% is about Next.js. If you know React, learning Next.js is like taking a pause after hard work, relaxing and natural. My goal is that students who understand the React eShop can transform it into Next.js eShop by themselves with the help of AI. After finishing this book, they will be able, using AI, to grow a small e-shop into a large luxury e-commerce application. This book and this video teach React and Next.js, but they also teach how to learn in the age of AI. If you know anybody that need videos like this, tell them about, write on the networks. If you like it. If you need, subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.